How to perform the child pose. Teaching points. First, either kneel on the floor or from a tabletop or downward dog position. Knees wider than the shoulders and parallel to your hips. Big toes together, place your bum on your heels of your feet. Breathe out through the mouth and exhale. Upper torso reaches down to the ground in between your thighs, arms out in front of you, hands parallel to your shoulders, rest in the forearms and palms of your hands on the floor. Hand position should be knuckles facing the ceiling. Resting your stomach on the front of your thighs and forehead resting on the floor of your mat. Focusing on your breathing. Deep breath in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth throughout. Common mistakes. Keep your neck in the neutral position. Don't push down on your forehead. Keep the head, neck and upper lower back relaxed. Make sure the knees are hip width apart. If they're too narrow or too wide, this may cause you to be in an awkward or uncomfortable position. Don't hold your breath in for the entire duration of the pose. Remember to inhale and exhale. This is going to help you relax and get a deeper stretch, as well as prevent injury.